Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a cruise. We're doing the fall color tour for M22 Detailing. Super hyped up. We have some beautiful colors here in northern Michigan. As soon as I flip the camera, you're going to see what I'm talking about. But we're on the way to the launch point, which is work. Working on the weekend, but we're having fun. Excited to see all the cars there today. We have a few clients picking up vehicles that we just finished that are going to be joining us. So, beautiful Saturday. It's like 60 something degrees right now. I think it's going to be a high of 72, which is absolutely phenomenal for this time of year. It is literally almost November, which is nuts. So super excited to get to the shop. We have a very busy day. I think there's like 30 cars coming with us, which is nuts. Like, that is such an awesome turnout. Meeting technically starts at noon. It's 10:30 right now, so heading in a little early. I want to get there by 11. We just have time to like prep all the cars, get my car prepped, looking clean. We got to represent. It's a detailing shop. If you guys are new, want to see more stuff like this, or want to see rally stuff, car mods, literally everything that we do. If you're not familiar, go check out some other videos. Hit subscribe while you're browsing around. Let's get into it though. I'll see you guys at the shop. Neat. This blue. This is how I'd spec an S4 if I got a B9.
Is this stock? I don't know.
Jeez. I dig it. Quite the turnout already. This is dope. Let's count how many Audis we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nice. I'm checking out these B9s and I'm really liking them. Dangerous game we're playing. Got the blue looking good in the sun. Ooh. This color is bananas. This is how I'd spec it out too, because these are the newer Gen R8 wheels. Carbon wheel, huge carbon fin, carbon everywhere. This is awesome. Diffuser, it's got an exhaust. Woo, this is a nice spec. I dig it. Hold on. That's an Audi. That is insane. Excuse me. What? Wow. How much do you think that thing weighs? 60 pounds. All right, driver's meeting concluded. We got Doug on the sticks. Gonna be getting some sick B-roll rollers and living in luxury in the back of the Porsche. I said Porsche. Oh, Porsche. We had like 40 cars show up. This is awesome. I thought like 15 or 20 maybe, but then the weather did good things, and well, here we are.
The weather did awesome things.
Yeah.
Oh, he wasn't waving us in, he was waving the Corvette in.
Sorry, I took your spot.
You're cool.
Did this wheel come stock on this car?
Yeah.
What?
Yep.
Really?
Got lucky.
All this carbon?
Yeah.
That's wild. A lot of 3.0 Ts.
Lots
Represent. And the Beamer crew. Got quite the lineup. This little section. Right up front.
Yeah. Hey,
here we go.
Hey.
Who put this guy on photo duty? All right, first regroup point now that we're out of town.
This stuff might be 5S.
arrived. We've arrived at the first stop, so this cool overlook place. This guy is not with us, but what a cool find. Jeez. Everybody's made it. Everybody stayed grouped up the whole time. Trying to fit 40 cars in this place is kind of funny, but looks like we did it for the most part. I want to see how long we're backed up. This is hilarious. Bit of a traffic jam.
I bet if anyone else wants to come.
I know. Feel bad if there's like families, like tourists, they're like, oh, we gotta hit the lookout. Not today. Parked up. We got all the cars lining the road. This is fun. These colors are sweet too. What a fun drive. And we're like a third of the way done, I think. Stop number 2 to Belago. Doug goggles on. Look at that dedication to his craft. I'm gonna have to send this to Alec. Actually, Alec, I know you're watching. You gotta get on Doug's level, man. Inexcusable.
Front bumper. So leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Until this bumper's done. Don't talk to me. Oh hey, Mr. Customer.
Wow, that was fun. What a turnout. Shout out to Audi Club for coming up. Everybody kind of just zoomed up from Grand Rapids area, and that whole week, that whole day was fun. Surprise Ford GT just kind of came out of nowhere, so that was cool. That was the M22 fall cruise kind of deal. I guess we're gonna do one in spring as well. As far as stuff coming up on the channel, we have some things being delivered this weekend I can't really get into because they're surprises. And then depending on if the scheduling works out, we might be doing a car review or car trade. So it's not confirmed yet. Again, can't give anything away, but I'll leave it at that. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe. Don't want to miss out on future stuff. We've got a lot of fun things coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, we'll see ya.